and frightening sounds echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Better be the portraits that are hanging from above. And step away from the walls, lay your bodies to rest, and the dead center the
Mom, step away from the wall.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later.
My soul with wheels to me, please.
Y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepare.
We have been unavoidably detained by Frankie Strips. Kindly remain seated in your doomed please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
Unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creaks and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat,
The happy haunts have received your symbolic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. Their assembling points is swinging awake. You'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
Hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill out the scene, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Make final arrangements now. We will dine to have